All this is Allison hanging out in my space to craft, and I'm so excited. I am going to the CKC Creative Scrapbook Convention this weekend, CKC. So I need to pack my supply bag. I think I signed up for 3 classes, plus there are always make and takes. Which you don't necessarily need supplies for, but I want to have a set of supplies so that in case I need to finish off some pages afterwards. I'm not doing the crops because that's a lot of packing and stuff like that. So we're just going to shop and do our classes and have dinner out and stuff like that. So they very nicely give you a basic supply list. So I'm going to collect those items, and I think I'm going to try, hopefully everything will fit in my one bag that I can carry around to the classes. This is my old Creative Memories bag. So a pair of straight edge micro tip scissors. These are my Creative Memories. I use them all the time. And then I have one more for fussy cutting, which I think I'll bring. So I'll bring those 2 pair of scissors, a 12 by 12 paper trimmer, and I'm gonna bring an extra blade for that just in case. So let's put this trimmer away. We'll use this trimmer. Favorite adhesives, both wet and dry. So I have this. And I will bring extra, again, just in case, both wet and dry. I think I'm just going to bring this little tiny, for my wet adhesive. I really like art glitter glue, but the bottle that I transfer that in sort of has a crack in it, and so I'm not going to trust that one. I'm just going to bring this little one. Black archival journaling pen. I have a black pen. This one is Creative Memories. Paper piercer and mat. I do have that, but I don't think we're probably not going to, I'm probably not going to use that. I can use that, my pokey tool. I do have a mat somewhere. I'll have to figure out where that is. A stapler. I do not have a craft stapler, so I'll live without that. A regular hole punch. So this is my regular size hole punch. That will do. Or I could bring my crocodile, but it's really heavy, so I'm not going to bring that. Black and brown ink. My black. And I'll use walnut stain for my brown, and I need those 2 daubers. And so that those don't get everything inky, I'm going to put the daubers in here in a little baggie. Oh, my dogs are going crazy. Oh, I can put the inks in there too, just in case. That way the lids won't come off. Black and brown ink. A corner rounder. Fun. That is it must be on my desk somewhere. I need to find my corner rounder. Well, I will find that. I have my fancy one, but not my regular one. X-Acto knife and mat. So I do need to bring a mat. And an X-Acto knife. I have my X-Acto knife. The question is, do I want to bring a big mat or a small mat? I might bring this big mat. We'll see. I might try and find a smaller mat. Acrylic block. You might get stamps in some of them. I'm going to bring this fun from scrapbook.com acrylic block. Pop dots or foam squares. So let's bring, these are pretty small, thin. Let's see if there's something else I would rather bring. I may bring a sheet of this as well. Yeah, I think that will work for those. Or I have these. So, a couple of options for pop dots. Oh, I have these big ones. Maybe I would rather do these big ones for some stuff. I'll bring these big ones and leave these here. Okay, so I don't have a stapler. I need to see if I have a smaller mat. And my corner rounder, which I don't know where it is. So these are the classes that I'm taking. Sails and Shells, Mix and Match Layout. Life is Better in Flip-Flops. I did beachy ones. And Painted Pages Calendar, a year of creative. So I do annual albums, and so I thought this is a new way to do calendars for a year. And then this lists any extra supplies: paper trimmer, scissors, wet and dry adhesive, 3D pop dots, distressing chalk ink is optional. Colors of the layout are navy, cream, and coral. Okay, supply list: trimmer, scissors, wet and dry glue, powder puff chalk inks. I don't have those, I just use my Distress Oxide inks. Mulled wine, suggested inks. Oh, maybe I will get some powder puff chalk inks while I'm there. Mulled wine, sun bleach, berry bliss, robin's egg blue. If they're inexpensive, maybe I'll get those. And then supply list: paper trimmer, 3D scissors, optional ink, chalk ink for distressing. So I think I've got all my supplies that I need. Let's get these in the bag, see how I want to organize them. I think I'm going to put some of these in another little container, just so they're not just loading around in my bag. This was another Creative Memories thing from years ago. Get the small stuff in here. These I'll leave loose. Let's put that in the bottom. And we'll leave that. Okay. So that's everything contained. Oh, this one. Don't forget this. And this. Oh, forgot this. And then I'll have room in here to put the pages. And I'm going to bring this just in case, to put in case I need some finished pages. Because I don't want this too heavy that I can't walk around with it while I shop, since I don't have a crop space. I think that will work. And then I just need to resolve my corner rounder. I'm sure it's somewhere on my desk. And see if I can find a smaller pad. So that is what I'm taking. We're just staying one night. It's about an hour and a half from where I live. All right, I spoke too soon. A couple of other things I'm going to throw in my bag just in case. I have these nice little wipes just in case I get inky or something like that. I've got that. I found my corner rounder, a pencil, a little brush. I have the brown and the black daubers, but what if I get ink for a different color? I think I'll use that. And my Creative Memories very old all-purpose tool, which is great for if I have to remove something. So those are the things I am adding. And then I decided none of the classes I'm taking call for a piercing mat. I do have my pokey tool just in case. So instead of taking this mat, which is pretty heavy, I'm just going to take a piece of cardstock backing paper. This is, you know, that papers come in to use. It is right at 12 by 12, maybe a little bit larger, but I can use that if I'm inking edges or something to keep things clean. So that is it. I'll see you from the convention. Going with some friends, and I will try and do some videos there of the shopping. I won't obviously do videos of the classes, but I will do a page flip of everything that I make when I come home, and I'll try and do some video of and a haul video, because I know that I will be buying stuff. Anyway, see you soon. I can't wait for this weekend.